So this is the chart I've shown before. It's a Treasury Securities net issuance by day. And as you might have seen before, this is the issued maturing report that uses data from Treasury Direct. And this data shows information for bills, notes, and bonds. Now this chart is generated from data that comes from treasury.gov. It doesn't come from Treasury Direct. Or rather, I'm querying the treasury.gov APIs for the data. And when I get that data back, it actually breaks the security types down into more categories than just bills, notes, and bonds. As you can see here in the legend, we have bills and CMBs, notes, FRN notes, TIPS notes, and then we have bonds and TIPS bonds. Whereas, as I pointed out, on the Treasury Direct side, the security type there, it really only breaks it down into bills, notes, and bonds. So with the treasury.gov data, you'll occasionally see situations like this, where you'll have issuance of bills, but maybe a different, like in this case, CMB was maturing, the lighter orange color here. So this is a variation of the chart where I basically simplify the categories down into just bills, notes, and bonds. So with this new simpler chart, I thought it would be interesting to revisit the bills issuance over the past couple of years, or a few years. First, I'll turn off notes and bonds to just focus on the bills. When you see these large negative bars that are in the future, those are days where we know there's going to be large amounts that are maturing, but we don't have the issuance yet. So once the issuance comes through, if it comes through, of course, then you'll see bars like this or smaller negative bars. So basically what I'm saying is you could ignore these really large negative bars at the end. And I've zoomed in just a little bit more here. So as I reviewed in the previous video, here we can see all the net issuance for bills in 2020, and then following that you can see the amounts that matured here, or the corresponding maturities there. 2022 you see some more issuance here and then some maturing following that. A couple more pairs here, so issuing, maturing, and then we run into this this larger block of issuance right here in 2023. So this last bar here around looks like March 21st. Let's see. Yeah, March 21st, that was the last issuance, it's looking like. And following that, now we're starting to see the maturing amounts. So this is a one chart to consider looking at if you want to put the bills issuance into perspective moving forward. As time goes on, it'll be interesting to see if we see a pattern like this where they do stick to letting things mature without issuance or net issuance, to see if basically these bars stay below the zero line, or if for some reason they change their tune and decide to start issuing bills again. All of the code has been updated into checked into GitHub, and this new version of the script that only shows bills, notes, and bonds is in this file here, Treasury Gov issued maturing BNB.